Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to the VA section of the paper. So if we talk about the VA section in general that we have seen in this year's paper, the section more or less hasn't seen any kind of unexpected kind of questions. The questions that have been asked and the patterns of the questions that have been asked are the ones that we have already seen come across the multiple years of the papers in general. But that being said, this year paper was a little bit more complex. That is, they required a more in-depth knowledge about the subject matter. So yeah, that in turn made this section a little bit more on the trickier side. So that being said, our intention as far as this video would be to try and identify the kind of questions that have been asked and to take each question at a time so that whenever we come across this kind of question, we are easily able to solve the same. We'll actually take a look at the process involved for solving the same as well. So then in any further examination, these questions come, we are easily able to solve them. So with that being said, we'll focus on the question at hand. This is again a parafilling kind of a question wherein a few words are omitted out and we need to fill these words with the suitable options that are being provided. Okay, so let's focus on the question. In the following passage, some of the words have been left out. Each of the following is indicated by a number, which find a suitable word from the options given against each number and fill up the blanks with appropriate word to make the paragraph meaningfully complete. Okay, so India Gate, originally called the All India War Memorial, is a war dash. So it's what is a war? A war memorial? No, it's a war memorial. Memorial means any kind of building or any kind of landmark that basically pays tribute to their troops who has actually fought kind of war. War memory, any significant figure, any significant structure cannot be a memory. Memoriam, if we talk about memoriam, what memoriam actually means is that so so memoriam basically means in memory of or something. It's more or less a Latin kind of a phrase. So that also does not make sense. Memorize means to remember something. Basically what we do memorization, that's what it means. And memories make no sense whatsoever. So memorial, war memorial is what the correct term is. So like India Gate is a war memorial. So that's what it's trying to say. Located alongside astride means alongside the Rajpath on one of the east edge. No, easterly edge, again wrong. We cannot have something easterly. Easter is the name of festival, so that's wrong. Erstwhile, again it does not make sense. Erstwhile, we don't use erstwhile. So eastern edges, okay, because it's this particular line basically represents a certain direction or a certain location, and eastern location actually makes sense. Okay, so 77 will be 4. The ceremonial axis of the New Delhi, India, formerly called as Kingsway. Okay, so this is all about the direction which is located. India Gate is a memorial of 82,000 dash of the Indian Army who died in the period 1914 to 21 in the First World War. Okay, 8200 what? 8200, like I said, it's a war memorial and it's basically made as a respect, as a tribute to the soldiers who fought in the First World War in France, Flanders, Metropolitan East Africa, Gallipoli and elsewhere in the Near and Far East, and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. Okay, so it's all talking about the memorial built for soldiers. Again, shoulders is totally. Shoulder means shouldering, that is process of joining two metals using an iron rod. Is another process. Soldiers. India is memorial to 800 soldiers. So its apostrophe means this belongs to belonging. Okay, this belongs to belonging. So that also soldiers belonging to something. Soldiers commodity or something. So again that is also wrong. Shoulder is again wrong. So 78 will simply be soldiers. Okay, so this will be the right one. Let's look at Persian third episode. 13,300 dash names, including some soldiers and officers from the United Kingdom, are inscribed on the gate. Okay, 13,000 who? What can this mean? Servicemen? Yes, but servicemen, if we look at this particular 79 in general, servicemans, Serviceman is a singular individual, but there are 1300 names. So this is wrong. This so far means seems the most correct one. Service names. So what service names does not make any sense. Servicemen. But again, names is given. So serviceman has to be an apostrophe. It has been followed with a it wrong. And serviceman again singular does not make sense. So option 79, option 1 will be the most ideal answer for the same. Serviceman's names, including some soldiers and officers from the United Kingdom, are inscribed on the gate. The India Gate, even though a war memorial, dash the architectural style of the Trump Arc, or like the Arc of Constantine outside the Colosseum of Rome, okay, and is often compared to the Arc de Triomphe in Paris and the Gateway of India in Mumbai. It was designed by Sir Edward Lutyens. So, although it's a war memorial, the architectural styles. So, evoked the architectural styles. No, it's the past tense, right? So, it still continues to evoke the same. So, the past tense cannot be used. So, it's wrong. Evokes, yes, could be a good answer for that. So, right now I'm considering evoking. No, it's a continuous tense we cannot be used in this kind of sentence, right? It should simply use a simple present tense. So, present continuous tense cannot be used in this case. Will evoke means it will evoke in some kind of sometime in the future. Simple future tense again we cannot use. Evolve means just evolution, that is the evolve means to grow into something better. So that makes no sense whatsoever. So for 85 or for 80, evokes will be the right answer. Okay, so with that being said, we have come to the end of the video, and I think we have discussed the entire question in details. So in case you have any kind of doubts with respect to how we went about solving the same, kindly go through the video multiple times. This will give you a clear insight on the ideology involved for solving such questions. So I have explained in details why each and every options get eliminated in general. So you might have get a necessary insight on how to follow up with this kind of questions in general. Okay. So with that being said, in case you want a detailed solution of the entire question paper, feel free to connect with us. So for that, you can actually go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a lot of details pertaining to our contact addresses, like our website link, our email addresses, our numbers on which you can call, text or WhatsApp us as well. So feel free to connect with us in case you have any kind of doubt in with regards to your exam preparation or your study pattern in general, or you have any kind of doubt with respect to any subject. We'll be more than happy to help you out with this. And also, if you want a detailed solution of the entire paper, do connect with us and let us know for the same. Now, I will say that in case you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content as with this. We'll continue our discussion in the subsequent video and try to cover as many topics as possible from various sections. So until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.